Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is the Consumer Price Inflation Time Series. Now, I thought when I was downloading this, it would just be CPIH, CPI, and RPI, but actually, it's got 4,000 different indexes going back to the year 1800. I've downloaded the three files here, so you can have a quick look at them, so you can just see what a nightmare they are. So the data going back to 1800, see? That has got numbers for, oh, there we go, for CDKO. What is CDKO? Let's have a quick look what that is. Show you how to do that now. Select star from consumer price inflation .bim where CDID equals CDKO. CDKO. That is the retail price index long run series 1800 to 2024, January 1974 equals 100. So indexed at 1974 prices. That's just one of over 4,000 different indexes. And as you can see, the table's pretty horrendous because it goes on 4,000 columns wide and so many rows deep. So you're probably thinking, well, why don't you just download the CSV version and import that? Because the CSV version looks like this. All they've done is taken the Excel version and then saved it as CSV. So that's useless. So you're probably thinking, well, why don't you import, why don't you download the structured text one? Because that one looks like this. I mean, yeah, we could have imported that, it'd be even worse. Either way, you're going to have to get this data into a SQL table before you can make any use of it, which is what we've done. And here is the data. Let's have a little look. Just here we go. So we've got all the CDIDs and the titles and all of the dates, the next release dates, and it relates to etc. and the values. Millions of rows. How many rows we got? Just under 6 million rows. It comes out every month. If you want to have a free play of it, you can have a free trial access for 30 days to this and the thousands of other open data sets in the database. So go ahead. Thanks.